Hey everybody, it's Vince with Rudalanco. Hope your day is going good. This video I'm going to be showing you how I did my lawn renovation. Starting out, I'm using my Toro to scalp everything down, and then I will go through step by step and show you the video process of my lawn renovation.
Alright, so we did a scalp. It is down to 1/2 inch. I went over it several times with the Toro Green Master and then brought my Time Master in and bagged it all up. It's looking pretty good actually, being this low. Gonna put some grass killer on it and let it go. Part of the renovation process is you want to use a non-selective herbicide. So that means it will target grass, it'll target weeds, it'll target everything, and it'll kill it to the root. I bought this at a local hardware store. It's called Cleanup. It's a 41% concentrate. It kills weeds, grasses, and brush. Kills to the root. One thing that you want to look at is when you can seed. Always read your label of when you can seed after applying a herbicide. For this particular one, lawns can be planted 7 days after an application. So I can plant this, wait a week, and seed. Now I'm going to wait a little bit longer, but read the label and do as the label says. So I will apply, it's about 1 ounce per gallon, and I will spray this over my lawn and kill off all the grass. I sprayed my lawn on Saturday. It is now Tuesday, and you can see pretty much everything has died off. I have a large spot here, a little streak here, but everything for the most part has died off pretty well. So I'm gonna spray one more time on these green spots, give it a couple days, run my Greens Master over this at about 1/2 inch, scalp it one more time, spray one more time, and then I will run my dethatcher and scare fire over it to get it down to bare dirt. Just got done running the Slit seeder over the entire lawn. It worked pretty well. There's still some roots here, but it got a lot of that thatch out, broke up the top layer here. So we have a little bit of a low spot in here. I'll run a string line and see what's going on, just to be able to level it, grade it out, nice even slope, not have a big hump right here. 3 yards of topsoil coming today. I'm going to take my landscape rake over top of all this and just get all the debris out of here. See, it comes right to the corner here. So I'm going to continue the line. I'll plant this seed on this side here, and then this will all be 365 SS and perennial ryegrass from Mountain View Seed. One thing that's nice about this the slit seeder is it was able to pick up a lot of the rocks. We don't want any rocks when we reel mow. 3 yards of topsoil screened has been delivered. Put in some nice ruts for me. So good thing I bought some extra. Had a little bit of rain overnight. Covered up with some tarps. So right here is a low spot right in here. So this is about 1.5 yards topsoil, another 1.5 over there. I'm gonna spread this out here this morning, see where it gets me. The remainder of the topsoil will just go about smoothing some low areas, making sure everything's nice and level. That way when I'm mowing, it is smooth as butter. Little update, went on vacation for 5 days, came back. This was supposed to be screened topsoil and it's riddled with rocks. Tons of stone. Got nutsedge popping up everywhere. Had some washout here. Put some tarps down to try and prevent that. They did a pretty good job. As you can see, my neighbors they don't have that muddy of a lawn or a driveway. So it helped. So I'll spray the nutsedge, and hopefully in a week or so I'll get to plant some seed.
After 5 yards of topsoil, leveling it with the leveling rake, getting all the stones out, we are finally ready and have a prepped seed bed. The next steps are fertilize, overseed, and cover it with peat moss and hydrocover. Next up is spreading fertilizer. This is a biotone from Site 1. It is an organic starter fertilizer with mycorrhiza in it. I won't show the whole thing of me spreading it, but you can get the idea that you do your edges first, and then you would broadcast spread over the entire lawn. Here's one of the cultivars seed I'm using. It's Perennial ryegrass. Has lateral spread properties. This will go down over 2,000 square feet. It is a 5-pound bag. The next is Kentucky Bluegrass 365 SS. It is a 5-pound bag as well. The ratio is about 90% Kentucky Bluegrass, 10% Perennial ryegrass. The remainder of seeding my front lawn got cut off. It got to be too dark, so I ended up seeding it with a headlamp and a flashlight, and I went over 4 different directions to have good coverage even though it was being done in the dark. So a novice GoPro user, I had this in time work. But what I'm talking about here is I use hydrocover on the edges around my front lawn where water is more likely to run through. I did not want to put down any straw and bring in any weeds. I didn't want to deal with any matting either. It just creates a mess. So I put along the edges. It's from Site 1. It was about $24. And then I covered the rest of the lawn in peat moss.
Well, that about does it. Front lawn renovation is done. Just gonna adjust some of these irrigation heads. They haven't been running in a while. Make sure that they're getting a good coverage. And sit back, watch, and wait to see some grass grow. So, thanks for watching this. It's been quite the process for this front lawn. A lot of time put into this. So, if you're looking to do a lawn renovation, I hope this is kind of helpful to be able to see it in live action. I have a lawn renovation video. Might give you some tips before you start one. But hey, now it's just water, water, water. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. And leave a comment below. Let me know if you had plans this year for lawn renovation. If you want to do a lawn renovation one year. Yeah. Just let me know. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good day.